Hi, my name is Paolo A. Calumbad from HMS 1B, and I'm going to answer this math output based assessment number 2.
Question number 1. How might this number pattern to be useful? Question number 2. What kind of things can the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence represent? A number pattern refers to a sequence of number that follows a specific rule or pattern. This pattern can be simple, such as adding a constant number to each term. The purpose of identifying number pattern is to observe the rule that generates the sequence. Example: 11, 17, 23, 29, 35, 41, 47, and 53. We need to add 6 numbers. That's why 11 plus 6 equals 17. 17 plus 6 equals 23. 23 plus 6 equals 29. 29 plus 6 equals 35. 35 plus 6 equals 41. 41 plus 6 equals 47. 47 plus 6 equals 53. Fibonacci sequence is a series of number which is the two preceding numbers. Example: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 8 plus 13 equals 21. 21 plus 13 equals 34, and so on. Why number pattern is useful? 1. Having to build a strong foundation in mathematics. 2. We able to learn how to multiply. 3. We learn how to use observed number sequences. 4. Pattern makes easier to understand addition and multiplication. For example, the series goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Following are the Fibonacci series that can be observed in natural phenomena. In a sunflower arrangement of seed is a whirlpool-like pattern. The number of the whirlpool arm is the Fibonacci series. And this is another example. This sequences is a series of number where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Example: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Seashells such as the Nautilus display a spiral pattern that adheres closely to Fibonacci sequence.